¿Probarías la carne de Luke? Yo lo haría.
For dinner, I brought along some moose ribs. These are just 2 ribs from the moose I shot this fall. Got some garlic, salt, and pepper. We want to cook these on a low heat very slowly. And we're gonna just let that sit for a couple hours. Oh, I can smell the moose. It's cooking a little too fast. All right, let's check out this moose. Oh yeah. Oh, that's actually pretty soft. Look at that beautiful piece of moose meat. Oh, that's so good. Got some barbecue sauce here. Oh, the barbecue sauce is mostly frozen. That came out just perfect. Oh, that was good. There we go. That was delicious. Oh man, I was so hungry.